Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence and I talk about topics that can help others on their pathway to financial independence. And today I wanted to just talk about kind of some of the actions that I've done in my own accounts. About a couple weeks ago, I looked at some of the energy stock names that I owned and I decided that they were getting a bit frothy. And so I took some profits. And so just knowing that other investors do sell stocks from time to time, I mainly buy um, stocks for the sake of dividends, but I will also consider taking capital gains when it makes sense. And so most of the things that I will buy and sell kind of in and out of are in retirement accounts because there's no yearly tax hit that I have to deal with. Yes, I have to pay tax when I finally take money out of these accounts, but there's no short-term hit to buying and selling from things. So I realized I had like Chevron and Exxon and PBA and TRP and Kinder Morgan and what else do I have in there? Williams, Antero Midstream. There were a bunch of oil drillers too, like Occidental Petroleum. I had some small names in there too, maybe some Fang or PSX or Sunoco or other things. So, it just looked like they had all run up quite a bit. In fact, some of them even were at new all-time highs. And I have just learned over time that these things are just really cyclical in nature. So when you kind of get used to watching stock charts, and particularly when things hit new all-time highs, it doesn't hurt you at all to take profits. And I assume that as soon as the war got over, the price of oil was going to come back down again. And most of that's confirmed. I'm not completely sure if the war is over yet or not, but the prices of oil have definitely come down over the past while. And so I'm actively kind of looking to buy back into some of these things that I have sold out of. And, I have a pretty good amount that I took profits on. And so I'm going to need to carefully take the effort to put the money back in again because I like the long-term prospects of energy stocks. So, and I like the dividend. Like I think Chevron's dividend is 4.5%. And Exxon's in the 3% range or somewhere. A lot of the pipelines are in the 5 to 6% range, and they're all over the board. So anyhow, one of the things that can increase your gains over time is kind of learning when it's time to take some profits. If you're watching the markets, you kind of get a feel for how they go up, how they go down. Sometimes I will take some profits, particularly in retirement accounts, and then try to strategically buy back in at some lower price. I also do this for this last year, did this for some precious metal stocks. Like I sold out of several things kind of in the big run up in December and January. No one knew when the top was going to be. And so I just kind of picked a level, and just anytime it got above that level, I sold more shares. Then, of course, everything cratered. I have done a little bit of strategic buying and selling during this year, but everything that I own that I still owned is down quite a bit this year. But right now you might be hitting some lows, and it might be time to take a closer look at precious metals or the gold miners or silver miners, because it might be time to buy back in again. I don't know. So just in general, I do strategically do some timing in my assets, and I do take some profits when I think things have run up. And then I will, if they go back down again, I will try to buy back in. So some of the things that I do, none of this is financial advice or anything, but I just try to, teach things or talk about things that might be of interest to other people. So like, subscribe. Thanks for being a viewer. Appreciate you. We'll see you. Bye.